COLREGs Rule Part F, the implementation section. Let's begin. Part F, verification of compliance. Rule 39. Definitions. A. Administration means the government of the state whose flag the ship is entitled to fly. B. Recognized organization means an organization authorized by an administration in accordance with the provisions of Regulation 11/1 of SOLAS. C. Verification means a process carried out by the administration or a recognized organization to demonstrate that the requirements of these regulations are complied with. Rule 40, Application. A. Unless expressly provided otherwise, the provisions of this part shall apply to all ships required to comply with the provisions of these regulations. B. Administrations shall take account of any guidelines adopted by the organization pertaining to the verification of compliance with these regulations. Rule 41. Verification of compliance by administrations. A. Every administration shall verify that the requirements of these regulations are complied with by ships entitled to fly its flag. B. Verification of compliance may be performed by the administration or by a recognized organization. C. The administration shall ensure that ships flying its flag are subject to verification of compliance with the applicable requirements of these regulations at the intervals provided for by the organization. Rule 42. Issuance or endorsement of a certificate of compliance. A. A certificate of compliance shall be issued to a ship after successful completion of the verification of compliance. B. The certificate shall be issued or endorsed either by the administration or by a recognized organization acting on behalf of the administration.
Rule 43. Duration and validity of a certificate of compliance. A. A certificate of compliance shall be issued for a period specified by the administration. B. The validity of the certificate shall be subject to periodic verification as required. C. A certificate shall cease to be valid if I. The relevant inspections are not completed within the specified time, or I. The ship is transferred to the flag of another state, or I. The ship ceases to comply with the requirements of these regulations. Rule 44. Recognized organizations. A. An administration may authorize a recognized organization to perform verification, surveys, or inspections on its behalf. B. Recognized organizations shall comply with the guidelines adopted by the organization for the authorization of such organizations. C. The administration shall ensure oversight of recognized organizations performing work on its behalf. Rule 45. Review of declarations of noncompliance. A. When a declaration of noncompliance is issued by a port state regarding a ship, the flag state administration shall review the declaration and take appropriate measures to ensure that the ship complies with the regulations.